Lecture on the Present Economic Crisis, Part 1. Satanism has no singularity. Who could prove the satanic monolatry, or whatever it is? There is pleasure and pain in the economy. Where is the power or debasement for me? Who could prove the satanic monolatry, yeah. Lecture, Present Economic Crisis, 2011, Part 2 of 2. The evil of civilization is human choices. Look at all those with ignorant voices. It can get better or worse with choices. Equality may have worked if the voices were heard. Not all can ascend as a bird. And the next, Lunasa Thoughts, Ministry of Evil. Hail Satan.